Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my top 5 favorite for the month of June, and I really enjoyed using all these products, all these 5 products last month, and definitely I'm going to buy them again. So without any further ado, let me show you my top 5 product for the month of June. The first product is the face wash, and this is from the brand Innisfree, and this is their apple seed cleansing foam, and it has apple extract and apple seed oil, and this is around 700 rupees, and the quantity you get is 150 ml. I have been loving this face wash, and it is so gentle on the skin. I really love Innisfree product, and this is one of my favorite face wash now because it removes the dirt, it removes the oil well from my face, and also it removes the makeup, and it doesn't make my skin dry after the wash. And I really like this. It's very gentle on the skin. It has a very beautiful apple smell, apple fragrance which goes off after a while, and I'm really happy with this face wash, and I'm definitely gonna buy this again. And this face wash will suit all skin types. I have oily and acne prone skin, and I've been using this for almost a month now, and I'm really happy with this face wash, and I'm definitely gonna buy this face wash again. It's one of my favorite face wash now. So the second product is from the brand Nykaa, and this is their Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom Body Scrub, and this is for rupees 350 rupees, and the quantity you're getting is 140 grams. And I am really liking this body scrub. It's very gentle on the skin. It doesn't make my skin dry after the use. Usually many scrub makes my skin dry after the application, but this is pretty gentle on the skin, and it has a very beautiful fragrance which stays for some time, and I really like this body scrub. I'm definitely gonna buy this again. So I'll just show you the how the texture is like. The texture is, this is how it looks like. The color is white, and the texture is, it has some granules, and it has a very beautiful smell which goes after a while. You just have to scrub your body with this for a minute or two, and after you wash it off, you can see your skin feels so smooth and soft, and it removes the dead skin from the skin well. And I'm really happy with this. I'm really happy with this body scrub, and definitely gonna buy this again. They also have other variants in this range of body scrubs, so I'm definitely gonna try a few of them as well. And I'm really happy with this purchase. This is for 350 rupees. The quantity you're getting is 140 grams, which is good. And I'm really happy with this body scrub, and definitely gonna buy this again. The next product is from the brand Mother Splash, and this is their plant powered oatmeal and honey face mask, and this is a 499, and the quantity you're getting is 100 grams. I am loving this face mask, guys. It has a very beautiful smell, and this is how it looks like. And the texture of this face mask is thick, and the color is white. You just have to apply all over your face and leave for 10-15 minutes, and just have to wash it off. It won't dry out, unlike clay mask, because usually when you apply clay mask, within 10 minutes it'll start drying out. But this mask, even if you apply for more than 20 minutes, you won't feel your skin is dry or something, and you won't feel dryness on your face. And after the wash, your skin will look soft, glowing, and you will not get that dry feeling on your face. Usually clay masks are like that, and I am really loving this face mask. And moreover, these are really good in terms of they have no silicone, no paraben, no dyes, no harsh chemicals. This is pretty gentle on the skin, and it's plant powered, which is really good. And for 499, 100 grams is a really good quantity, because I've been using it for more than 2-3 months now, and I'm really happy with this face mask. And this face mask has honey and oatmeal, which works really good for the skin, and this face mask will definitely suit all skin types. After I wash this face mask, my skin looks really bright, and it looks so clean, and it looks so soft, and I really am really happy with this face mask, and definitely gonna buy this face mask again. It removes it doesn't get into your pores or something, so you don't have to worry about it. You just have to apply all over your face properly and leave it for 15-20 minutes, and then wash it off. And after you wash it off, you will see your skin looks so beautiful. It looks so bright. It gives a nice glow on my skin, and I really like this face mask, and I'm definitely gonna buy this face mask again. The next product is a face moisturizer, and this is from the brand Derma Co, and this is for around 350 or 400 rupees, and the quantity you get is 50 grams. I think this is their newly launched. I saw this on their website, and this is their Squalene plus Zinc oil free face moisturizer, and it is suitable for normal to oily skin. I have oily skin. I was really excited to try something with Squalene and Zinc as a moisturizer, so when I saw this, I thought of trying it out. I'll just show you how the consistency is like. The consistency is gel like, and the color is transparent, and you just have to take a bit and it get absorbed in the skin within a minute, and it doesn't make your skin look oily or greasy after the application. So this is really good, this is very gentle on the skin, and after the application you don't feel anything heavy on your skin, like you don't feel you have applied anything heavy on your skin, like unlike many moisturizer which makes your skin look oily and greasy. This is very gentle on the skin, and for my oily and acne prone skin this worked really good. It has a beautiful smell which stays for a while, and after that it just goes off. I'm really happy with this purchase, and definitely gonna recommend this moisturizer if you're looking for something which will work good on normal to oily skin. And it has a gel consistency, so it should get absorbed in the skin within a minute or two, and your skin won't look oily or greasy after the application. And it has choline and zinc, which really works good for the skin. So definitely I am gonna repurchase this moisturizer. It really worked good on my oily and acne prone skin. So this is also sulfate and paraben free, dye and mineral oil free, which is really good. So even sensitive skin people can try it out. I'm definitely purchasing this again. I'm really happy with this moisturizer and definitely gonna buy this moisturizer again. Okay, the next product is from the brand Matrix, and this is their Opticare Smooth Straight Professional Ultra Smoothing Shampoo with shea butter, and this is for 345 rupees, and the quantity you're getting is 200 ml. I've been using this for more than a month now. I'm really happy with this shampoo. It just clean the scalp well, and it makes my hair look soft and smooth, and I got a little shine in my hair as well. So I'm really happy with this purchase, and this is a very gentle shampoo, and I really like overall how it worked on my hair. I have oily scalp and I have colored hair, and this is really working good on my hair. I'm definitely gonna purchase this shampoo, and this is for 345 rupees, and the quantity you are getting is 200 ml, which is not bad. So I'm definitely recommend this shampoo if you're looking for something which is gentle on your hair, and you can use it on daily basis, and which will work good on your hair. So this is really one of my favorite shampoo now, and I'm really definitely gonna buy this again. So these were my top 5 favorite products for the month of June, and I really like using them all, and I'm definitely gonna purchase them again. So I hope you like the video, and if you like the video, don't forget to give a like and share with your friend and family. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care.